Oh, alright. This always happens. Excuse me, what? Oh, are you tired or something, Daisy? Yes, you are. Oh, no, 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 no! Oh, GameCube! She always does this. I don't know why. Ah, jump onto it too. Oh my god, no! Oh, GameCube! Alright, it's, Why? 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 Oh no, GameCube! Oh, oh GameCube! Are you alright? I knew it. Why don't we continue, shall we? Since you did a good job. What? Oh my god! Is GameCube alright with its intro? Alright, I love GameCube, excuse me. Oh, I feel bad for you. Oh man. Find the 3 princesses in this game? Is that what I just did before? Oh, I think I did, yes. Oh my god. Again? Oh my god. GameCube, are you alright? Oh man. Well. What? What? 2017 edition. Well, it's been 3 years now from 2017. Oh my god. Ow. Oh. Hey, GameCube. Why is the cube going this way? Why? Excuse me? Okay, this way then. That was supposed to happen. Oh my god. Oh, what? Oh boy. Oh no! It's GameCube. Oh my god. Please, no. Okay. Hey, it's normal, but what? Oh man. GameCube. Why is it going this way? It was supposed to go this way. What? Oh no. What? Oh my god. Oh. Oh, the cube. Why is it going this way? Well, you gotta fix him. Oh no, not again. What? Oh no. What? Oh my god. What? What have you done? Oh no, no, no. Oh no, 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 no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Ah. Do you read how to do this? What? Oh, that's too simple. What? But I like GameCube. Oh my god. Not again. Oh man. Again? Okay. Oh my goodness, this is just a different game nowadays. There you are. GameCube! I love it! What? Oh, don't get mad. I wasn't mad. Oh man. Gotcha! First one. Oscar, there you are! Haha, he's up next, right after just one mouse stage. Oh man. Luckily, I'm in. Right before she crashed to stuff. Oh, great! Here comes it again. By Oscar. Whew. Let's go on. This happens. Oh my goodness, GameCube! Oh my god. I know, it's gonna be Oscar again, right? Well, I like that start. Well, sort of. Now I'm in the 6th milestone. There he is. Ah! Oscar. Oh, man. I got you, bud. I know Soy Race is next, right? I knew it. What is it now? Ah, I knew it. It's going to happen like this to me. Aha! Aha! Up next. It's Soy Race then. I knew it. Oh, man. This is how it's going to be in Simon's Cat Dash. Something else? I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win. What? Never mind. Now let's... Oh, yeah. Okay. Wow, spike get over there. Oh, that's just something. Okay. You already know what happens when you get there. Oh, ho, ho. Do it again. Let's get there. Haha. It'll be like this scrambled eggs. This one will be delicious too. Oh man. This is going to be something else. Mario? Oh! Peach's Castle. Good old. Oh my man. Good old Peach's Castle. Alrighty then. Huh? Let's still continue in this, no problem. Oh. Okay, I always listen to you. Oh man. Okay, I knew it. I knew it again. Now it's her turn. Why is that every time after I pause this, it goes a little lighter for a second? Okay. Continue. Run again. Oh, Mario. Where you been? What? Oh, come on, man. Excuse me. Like, seriously, how many times? Oh, he's cute. She's cute. Oh, man. Ah, come on already. Come on already. Come on already. Oh. Not again. What's next? Okay. That was it. See you later. Still asleep. Still asleep. Just wake them up already. Maybe later. Macy scratching. Oh, I saw her dad. Alright. I can say sure. Never mind. There you are. Haha, stay awake, my friend. Haha. Haha, I knew it. Oh, she's running this way. I'll catch you, Luna. Just you wait. Yeah, I didn't do anything. Well, what do you mean didn't do anything? You just made Daisy run past her. And you may not like it after all. Alright, you think of it, right? Okay, that's a cheese! Oh, gosh. I cannot take this anymore. What do you mean cannot take this anymore? Maybe later. It gets all toasty. What? What are you doing, Luna? Didn't you get angry at me for no reason? Almost every day? Like, I did nothing in the last few seconds. Hey, it's Luigi Cube! Luigi Cube, that sounds nice. Oh. Yeah, gonna go this way. I know you're gonna do that. Yeah, you're gonna go this way. You're gonna go this way. Fine. No! This is not today's zone. Because it says no. Oh, Molly. Not you, Molly. To Luna. Right now, it's just Cat Game 2. Dude! Sorry. Ah! No. No, 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 no. Ah, Luna. She goes like this. What's up with you? You better stop. Or I'm gonna do this for the rest of the day. I might not. I have to let go of my phone these days. And do something else. Not just carry Luna the whole day. Is this unlocked too? It is. Oh, this episode. Actually unlock it with 140 stars. You're almost there. Just complete level 13 with 3 stars. Then you can get some more. Stop it, Luna! You can get some more when you complete the level with 3 stars, which is level 13 right now. Yeah, you will. It's cute whenever Om after eats one candy and another Om Nom. Yeah, he falls asleep. Please. Are you done doing this today, Luna? Now you're never happy in a few... Now you're not happy in a few days. Goodness gracious, Luna. Ah! I want this candy! Now it's mine! I'm taking care of it. Now it's mine! Oh my god! It is already great enough, my friend. It's great enough. Huh? You're on another Omnom's candy. Hey, hey, hey! I want the candy. Move it. Move it, cat! Oh my god. Well, you know me. Move it! Oh my god. Ah! Wouldn't she get annoyed whenever I do that too much? But when she's going to sleep, oh, she gets annoyed.